Hey Shooby-Doodlers, how are you doing? Today I'm going to show you how to draw this bat silhouette. You're going to need a pencil, a pen and an eraser, but let's not talk about it. Let's do it. So to draw the bat, I'm going to start off with a coin. This is a British 2p piece and I'm going to draw around the bottom half of it to get a nice semicircle. Then I'm going to draw the bat's head about there and the body about there. And then there's going to be a little tail and two kind of legs sticking out there like that. There's a curve. And then we want to sort of go up like that and around like that. So the straight lines and nice curves. And then we want to be coming out at an angle something like that. This is actually going to curve underneath like that. And then these are kind of the first two fingers. This is the wrist. There should be an elbow here, but we're smoothing it out with a curve. And these are the first two fingers. So let's draw the little finger coming in down about there. And then we want a similar angle. So we want to kind of get the same angle there and split that there. Split that angle there too. Let's start from this end here and sort of come out like that. And so we get these kind of looking equal. That's the thing that we're after. And then we can go to there like that. That looks about equal. And then we can come up. You can maybe even take that a bit further out like that. Now what we're going to do here is draw a V like that. And then two V's going up like that and then down. And then like that for the eyeball, and then we're going to do like a jelly bean for the mouth, going rah, and we want to draw a W here for the teeth. Draw that curve, and then we're going to go up and around and down and around and down and then up around the circle. These, remember, want to be nice curves coming out there. And then we want a nice curve coming to there, and to there, and to there, and down to the tail. You can come back up that way if you like, to there, to there, to there, and to there. When you're absolutely sure, you can erase all those pencil lines so no one will know how you got it. Oh, so perfect. And then you want to ink it all in. Go carefully around the eyes. Go carefully into all these little points as well. In fact, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just get these little points all filled in carefully, and then I'm going to switch to a brush pen which will allow me to ink this in a lot more quickly. While I'm doing this, I can tell you I've got a great long playlist of how to draw Halloween stuff. If you click the link above, that will take you to the playlist. And if you have ideas for Halloween drawings, which I haven't done already, then do let me know in the comments box below. There you are, how to draw a bat silhouette for your Halloween parties and stuff. Thanks for watching, and go on right now, click that subscribe button and keep coming back for lots more drawing videos every week. In the meantime, keep drawing, practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.